Hi everyone. We are going to study about special right triangles today. And the first kind is the 45-45-90 triangle. Well, this is a special triangle. It is a right triangle and it has two angles that are 45 and 45 degrees each. And of course, the third triangle is a 90-degree right angle. Now, what is special about triangles like this? Well, if you have a triangle that has 45, 45, 90-degree angles, then they have some specific ratio of the side lengths. Say, for example, if this side is x, then the other leg should also be x, and the hypotenuse is going to be x times square root of 2. So if x is 3, then you have 3 and 3. These are the two legs, and the hypotenuse is going to be 3 square root of 3. That is the ratio for every 45, 45, 90 triangle. Now let's move on and try and figure out the solutions to these questions here that involve special triangles, the 45, 45, 90 kind. Well, find the value of the missing sides. Now we have a 45, 45 right triangle. One of the legs is 6. So according to the ratio of the other leg and the hypotenuse, the other leg must be the same, and therefore that is 6, and the hypotenuse is going to be 6 square root of 2. Next, we have here number 2. The legs are going to be 9 square root of 2, and this one should also be 9 square root of 2. Now, the hypotenuse is going to be 9 square root of 2 and times another square root of 2. Now, these two together will become 9 times 2. And so the hypotenuse is 18. Okay, let me quickly erase this. Next, number 3, the hypotenuse is given 9 square root of 2. So what are the other two legs? Well, to find the size of one leg, what we need to do is take the hypotenuse and divide it by square root of 2. So 9. The other two legs are 9 and 9. Number 4. The two legs given are 12 and 12, so this one's easy. The hypotenuse is going to be 12 square root of 2. Here we have the hypotenuse given 8. So 8 must be divided by square root of 2 in order to get the other two side lengths. Now, when you divide by a square root, then obviously you have to rationalize the denominator, which means that you cannot have a square root as your denominator and in order to remove that, what we are going to do is multiply both the top numerator and the denominator with square root of 2. What will happen is square root of 2 times square root of 2 is 2, and we have 8 square root of 2 on the top, and this can be further simplified because 8 divided by 2 is 4, so the answer is 4 square root of 2. Both the legs are 4 square root of 2. Now let's look at the last question here. The hypotenuse is 5 square root of 2. So what we are going to do is divide the hypotenuse by square root of 2. So, well, we're going to get 5. So these two are 5 and 5. Thank you for watching.